Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing potato salad. Let's begin. Wash and boil potatoes without peeling them. Meanwhile, boil water. When it's boiling, add eggs and start your clock. Boil them for 8 minutes. Once the potatoes are soft, drain the water and peel them. You may rinse them before peeling so that they cool down. Cut them into cubes. Drain the boiling water from the eggs and put them in cold water, then peel them. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Cut the eggs into cubes or smaller pieces. Look how perfect they are cooked. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Put the eggs into the bowl. Chop a few sprigs of fresh chives and set them aside. Then chop red bell peppers and add them into the bowl. Sprinkle a dash of potato seasoning or salt and pepper. Stir and taste them. Adjust seasoning if it is required. Add mayonnaise. Please do not drench the salad. Add just enough. Stir. You may add a tablespoon or 2 of fresh milk. Add the chives and stir again. When you stir gently. Your salad is ready. Please press the like button. Leave a comment below regarding this recipe. You may serve your salad in a serving dish. Look at how creamy it is. It is yummy too. Thank you so much for watching this video up till this far. I hope you will enjoy this salad. See you soon. Bye bye.